Secret of the triple sneeze. Hey there, ever wondered what happens if you dare to sneeze more than twice? Buckle up, because I'm about to reveal the hilariously outrageous secret behind the elusive triple sneeze. Picture this. You've just experienced your first sneeze. A perfectly innocent achoo. It's like the universe giving you a gentle high five. Then comes the second sneeze, a polite encore that says, "Hey, I'm here to stay." But oh no. If you muster up that third sneeze, legend has it that something utterly magical and wildly absurd begins to happen. Before you even reach your third sneeze, your body's like a tiny fireworks display waiting to go off. Your nose feels like it's gearing up for a performance. Think of it as your own personal drum roll. The pressure builds, your eyes squint in anticipation, and your nostrils flare like they're about to take flight. Now, when that third sneeze finally bursts forth, brace yourself. In our prank-filled reality, this isn't just any sneeze. It's a super sneeze. Suddenly, you might notice your hair standing on end as if it's been hit by a mini hurricane. Your tissues? They might fly around like confetti at a parade. And if you're really lucky, or unlucky, depending on your perspective, your sneeze might just set off a domino effect, knocking over a cup of coffee, scattering papers like it's a wind tunnel, and even startling your pet into thinking a UFO has landed in your living room.